Okay, here she is. Partially was looking for a trailer for a boat that Nick is possibly getting from his in-laws for a little aluminum boat, and found this boat on KSL that had a pretty decent trailer that would fit that boat, and then this little Glastron came with it, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to convert this thing into a fishing boat. So it's 15 foot, I believe. It's a Glastron V. Let's go look at it. It's a V156 boat. It's got open bow, which I'm going to keep. I want to keep the seats, but be also able to put in like a pedestal fishing seat in here too. So fiberglass has got its blemishes. It's got quite a bit of cracking that's going to have to get ground out and redone. Gonna totally completely redo this inside, keeping a set of seats up front here, but then everything from the seats, the two seats back, is going to be a platform, and have some storage and a nice pedestal seat that sits up to do some fishing and some trolling kind of thing. Trailer, not too bad. It's not too good, but it's not too bad. It's kind of heavier duty is what I liked about it. Not too bad. So Johnson motor, the case is pretty buggered up, so I don't know what we'll do there. 40 horsepower. The engine's actually pretty decently clean. Turned over, felt like it had some good compression. Everything's clean on it, so that's gonna be good. Had a smaller troller motor mount here that I may have to fix. Here's the big oopsie. There's a small little dent. Not sure if you can see it. It might be right in here somewhere. I can't remember exactly where it is, but a bit of a bump that we'll have to grind down and fiberglass and the whole works. So there we go. Maybe I'll jump up on the motorhome and get a view from up above.